Very effective tool.
Hi there. For this build, you want to use a rolling pin or a stick. I'm using a rope. What you could do is use a speaker wire. Use 2 or 1 kg weight to start off with to see how you get on. Keep the stick in front of you and roll it up to the top and then roll it back down. Have a little slight bend on your elbows, and you want to do it 3 or 2 times to see how you get on. Remember, lightweight. Have the stick from your tip of your fingers from the bottom of your elbows. Drill a hole in the middle and tie it secure so it doesn't fall off to your foot. This is one of the best workout I ever done on my wrist and my forearm. So once again, keep the stick in front of you and roll it up and then roll it back down, and that would be a set. Try 2 to 3 times to start off with, and also increase the weight as you progress. This is how I grew my forearm and also strengthened my wrist. Remember, in front of you, secure it. Stick arm length from your tip of your fingers and elbows. Keep that up front and slight little bend. There is a actual tool which I will post. I have got the actual tool. This one is a DIY version of it. Remember, secure it tight so it doesn't fall on your foot. We'll be posting, so keep tuned. Take care. See you soon.